Welcome to Your Next in Tech, the series designed to keep you informed and inspired by the rapid evolution of technology. We are thrilled to kick things off with our very first episode, and what better way to start than with a topic that's at the forefront of everyone's mind: artificial intelligence. In today's world, AI is everywhere, from the apps on your phone to the systems powering major industries. But as AI becomes more powerful and integrated into our lives, a critical question arises: what makes AI trustworthy? In this episode, we are diving deep into the foundations of building AI that you can truly understand, reliably depend on, and confidently hold accountable. Stay tuned with us as we explore the key principles and practices that are shaping the future of responsible AI. Every day, AI systems are making more and more critical decisions in our lives, from recommending what you watch to helping doctors diagnose diseases to even influencing financial decisions. The fundamental question of how can we truly trust it emerges as AI becomes more powerful and pervasive. It's not just about an AI being accurate, it's about building systems that are fair, safe, and accountable. Today, we are going to explore what exactly makes AI trustworthy, breaking down the essential elements that build confidence in these transformative technologies. Let's look at the core pillars of trustworthy AI. At its foundation, trustworthy AI stands on three core pillars, much like a sturdy building needs a strong base. These aren't just abstract ideas, they are the foundational principles that must guide AI development and deployment throughout its entire life cycle. First, there is lawfulness. This means AI systems must strictly comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Think about it. If an AI system processes your personal data, it must adhere to stringent privacy laws like GDPR or HIPAA, just like any human or organization would. Next pillar, we have ethical soundness. This pillar ensures AI aligns with fundamental human values and ethical principles. It should also be good. This means actively working to prevent biases, ensuring human dignity is respected, and considering broader societal impact. An AI that perpetuates societal inequalities, for instance, would fail this critical ethical test. Finally, there is robustness. This is about the technical and practical reliability of the AI system. It means the AI should be secure, resilient to errors, and able to perform consistently and reliably, even in unexpected situations or when faced with malicious attacks. An AI controlling critical infrastructure, for example, absolutely has to be robust and dependable. These three pillars are the non negotiable bedrock for any AI system we hope to call trustworthy. Next, let's look at seven key requirements, a blueprint for trust. Building on these foundational pillars, the above pillars that we talked about, leading frameworks from organizations around the world, like the European Union and the OECD, have outlined seven crucial requirements for AI trustworthiness. Think of these as the detailed blueprint for designing and implementing AI that we can genuinely rely on. First up, human agency and oversight. This is paramount. Humans must remain in control and always have the ability to intervene, correct, or even override AI decisions. Imagine a doctor using an AI for diagnosis. The AI offers insights, but the final medical decision rests with the human doctor. Second, we need technical and social robustness. Beyond just the technical resilience we mentioned earlier, this also considers the AI's social impact. Is it designed to withstand misuse? Can it operate safely and reliably even when faced with unforeseen social context? third requirement is privacy and data governance. This is about how data is collected, used, and protected throughout the AI's entire life cycle. Trustworthy AI systems prioritize strong data protection using anonymized data where possible and ensuring transparent data handling practices. Fourth, transparency and explainability. This is absolutely critical. We need to understand how an AI arrives at its decisions. It's not enough for an AI to just give an answer. We need to see the reasoning, especially in high stakes applications. Fifth, fairness and non discrimination. AI systems must not perpetuate or amplify existing societal biases. This means rigorous testing and design to ensure AI doesn't unfairly discriminate against any group based on gender, race, age, or any other characteristics. Sixth, we consider societal and environmental well being. AI's impact extends beyond individual users. Trustworthy AI should contribute positively to society and the environment, for instance, by optimizing energy use or by being developed with an awareness of its ecological footprint. And finally, accountability. When things go wrong, there must be clear mechanisms for assigning responsibility and providing redress. If an autonomous system causes harm, for example, we need to know who is accountable. Let's dive deeper into one of those requirements, explainability. Often called XAI or explainable AI, this concept is central to building trust. Imagine an AI system denies your loan application. Without explainability, it's just a black box saying no. You have no idea why. But with explainable AI, you can understand the reasons. This is vital for several reasons. First, for bias mitigation. If an AI is making biased decisions, you can't fix it if you don't know why it's behaving that way. Explainability helps uncover and address these hidden biases. Second, it's crucial for accountability. When an AI makes a harmful or incorrect decision, explainability allows us to trace back the cause, understand the faulty logic, and assign responsibility. And third, for legal compliance. Many emerging regulations require that automated decisions affecting individuals can be explained and challenged. Some might think there's a trade off, either accuracy or explainability, but leading research argues that, especially in high stakes applications like medical diagnosis or criminal justice, both accuracy and explainability are non negotiable. We need systems that are not only right, but can also demonstrate why they are right. So, how do we actually implement these principles, especially when it comes to safeguarding our data? Modern trustworthy AI employs advanced techniques to protect privacy and ensure security at every stage. One such technique is differential privacy. This involves adding carefully calculated noise to datasets. It allows for analysis of large datasets while simultaneously protecting the privacy of individual data points. Think of it like taking a blurry photo of an individual in a crowd. You can still count the crowd, but you can't identify any single person. Then there is federated learning. Instead of collecting all data in one central location, AI models are trained on decentralized data right where it lives, on your phone, in a hospital, or at a local branch. Only the learned insights are shared, never the raw data. It's like learning from many different books without ever having to gather all the books in one library. We also have homophobic encryption. This remarkable technology allows computations to be performed directly on encrypted data without ever having to decrypt it. Imagine being able to sort and analyze files in a locked box without ever opening the box to reveal their contents. And finally, secure multi-party computation. This enables multiple parties to collaboratively compute a function over their inputs while keeping those inputs private. For example, several companies could determine their average sales without ever revealing their individual sales figure to each other. These sophisticated techniques are the backbone of building truly private and secure AI systems that earn our trust or our customers' trust. Governance and human oversight. Trustworthy AI isn't just about the technology itself, it's equally about the systems and processes surrounding it. That's where robust governance and human oversight come in. Effective governance ensures that AI development and deployment are responsible and ethical. This includes essential elements like independent audits, where third party experts scrutinize AI systems for bias, security vulnerabilities, and adherence to principles. It also involves broad stakeholder involvement, ensuring that diverse voices from ethicists to user groups to legal experts are part of AI's development and deployment process. Continuous risk assessments are crucial as AI systems evolve and interact with new environments. This means ongoing evaluation of potential harms and unintended consequences. And critically, there must be clear enforcement mechanisms. If an AI system fails to meet trustworthiness standards, there need to be ways to ensure compliance and address violations. Governments around the world, like those in European Union, are actively embedding these principles into emerging regulations and best practices, recognizing that AI governance is key to its responsible integration into society. As powerful as AI is, we also need to be aware of two critical challenges: the trust paradox and AI washing. The trust paradox highlights a fascinating human tendency. Powerful AI systems can appear incredibly credible and authoritative, even when they are completely wrong. Their outputs can seem so sophisticated and definitive that we might be tempted to over rely on them, blinding us to potential errors. This paradox underscores the vital need for healthy skepticism and mechanisms that prevent blind over reliance on AI. Humans should always remain critical thinkers even when interacting with most advanced systems. Equally important is avoiding AI washing. This is when organizations overhype or misrepresent AI's capabilities without actually delivering on those promises. It's like greenwashing, but for AI. This not only undermines genuine progress in AI, but also erodes public confidence and leads to disillusionment when the overblown claims don't materialize. Transparency in claims, clear methodologies, and realistic expectations are absolutely key to countering AI washing. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, to bring it all together, what defines a truly trustworthy AI system? It's one that consistently upholds legal, ethical, and technical standards across its entire existence. It actively ensures fairness, safety, privacy, transparency, and accountability in every decision and interaction. It uses robust techniques to protect your data and user rights, going beyond mere compliance. It embeds continuous oversight and rigorous risk management, adapting as new challenges emerge. And crucially, it avoids deceptive marketing and overpromises, building genuine confidence through honest communication. In short, trustworthy AI is not just about raw accuracy or impressive processing power. It's about building AI that you and your customers can understand, that you can rely on to act responsibly, and that you can hold accountable when necessary. As AI continues to reshape our world, our collective commitment to these principles will define whether it serves as a force for good, truly enhancing human well being and societal progress. The future of AI and our trust in it depends on us building it right from the ground up. Make sure you are following these principles and guidelines when you build your own AI agent or AI product. That's all for our very first episode of Your Next in Tech. We hope this deep dive into what makes AI trustworthy has been insightful and sparked your curiosity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future episodes. We'll be back in 2 weeks with another exciting topic. Do you have a burning tech question or a specific trend you would like us to explore? Let us know in the comments below. Your suggestions help us shape the series just for you. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.